In this video, I'm going to walk through NIGHTCAFE's Outpainting feature where you can make your images a little bit larger through the powers of AI. So what you're going to do here is either create an image. So you're going to go up to the top and click create and create an image like you would normally, or you can go into My Creations and you can pull up an image that you've already created. In this case, here's an image that I've created of the Rocky Mountains with the northern lights in the sky. And I'm going to try to make this image a little bit larger. So down underneath the image, you're going to see a few different options. And what you're going to look for is this expand option right here. I'm going to click expand. And now I can use the outpainting feature. Now you're going to have an option here to outpaint the top part of the image or the bottom part of the image or the left or the right part of the image. In my case, I'm going to go right. And if you make it really large, it'll eventually give you a warning. It will say, we don't recommend more than 512 pixels. So that's what I'm going to do here in this case. I'm going to go 512 pixels. And that's a pretty significant change now to the original square image. It's going to paint now the right-hand side. And I'm going to click expand down on the bottom right. And just like that, we have an expansion of the original image. It's actually painted in more and added to it. That's a pretty cool feature. Another thing you can do is with your image, you can expand it out and you can actually add to it in a different way. So I'm going to show you that right now. So down at the bottom, I'm going to click expand. I'm going to click right, same deal as before, 512. But in this case, I'm actually going to type in something here on a prompt. So for my medieval cat who's doing painting, I've got show big buckets of paint, and now I'll click expand. So that's pretty neat. It expanded out the image and it put a big bucket of paint here over on the right-hand side. This is AI, so it's going to be clunky at times. So if you don't like it, simply click the original image, which is sitting here to the right, and you could expand it out again if you so choose. So you have a nice option here of the expanded images and the original images, and you can toggle those pretty easily. There's other really cool options here at the bottom as well. Recommend that you check those out too. NIGHTCAFE is free. You do get credits every day. And if you sign up, you get challenges, you get free credits, and you can have fun creating images like this cute guy right here. I'll put a link to NIGHTCAFE in the video description below. It is completely free. Check it out today. Here's another video where you can have some fun with some free stuff.